What is up, you guys? Max back here with another video. In this video, we are in my Camaro, and I'm going to be doing a little installation on my steering wheel with some carbon fiber pieces. I made some other videos of some other installs I did for other pieces on my interior with carbon fiber, and I think it turned out great, so I just want to keep adding to that theme. So I'll show you guys the little process and maybe do a little review of the product at the end. So the first thing I did before even doing anything was wipe off the surface with an alcohol sanitizing wipe. So you can use any wipes. You just want to make sure you're using a clean surface. That's going to be what you want to do. Then you want to heat up the overlays. Ideally you'll use some sort of heat gun, but in this case I was, I guess, lazy about it and just used the heat from the car. So you could see that here, but it works just as well. The idea is just to heat it up, but I guess if you want to do the best job, you're going to heat it up with a heat gun or a hair dryer or whatever. Then peel off the pieces. So that is the next step. Then you just want to make sure you're doing a good job actually applying the pieces. You want to make sure it looks as good as you can make it. So whether you have to take it off a few times, reheat it, whatever you have to do, you just want to make sure you're doing the best job possible. So that's the next couple steps. You might find it difficult to install the steering wheel pieces without honking the horn, so just be a little careful about that. That's something you got to keep in mind, but it definitely looks pretty good, as you can see. So now I'm just going to be installing the pieces that go on the side and the bottom. The process is going to be the same for every piece, just like the pieces I did earlier. You just want to peel off that back, heat it up before you do that, and then peel off the 3M, maybe heat it up again, and then apply it as best as you can. Alright, you guys, there you have it. There's a little install of the steering wheel pieces. I know I had like one over the horn and then to the pieces around it, so I think it looks pretty good, and I'll show you guys what it looks like with my other interior pieces. I think, you know, it adds a little spice to the interior. I'll leave a link in the description to where I got the products from. A big shout out to my sponsor, Carbon Viper. Use my code NOLIMIT10 for 10% off, so you'd be supporting me but also this company, and I really would appreciate it. But I also did install another piece to the right of the steering wheel, and I'm not exactly sure what that's called or what that is. I didn't really record that, the installing of that, but just thought I'd mention it and you guys take a look at it. Just another piece of carbon. So thought it was pretty cool. If you guys enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you liked and subscribed, and that's it for this video. I'm out. Peace.